Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how you can edit your home screen. I'm just going to show you how you can add a stack widget and also how you can arrange your home screen. To arrange the home screen, you'll have to update it to iOS 15, by the way, and I'm just going to select the home screen, and I can press on these three dots on the bottom, and I can arrange it by just dragging it from left to right. For instance, I want to see this home screen first. I can arrange by just dragging it to the left or right, and I'm just going to press done. I don't really change anything because I don't want to. Now I'm just going to add the stack widget. Again, press on your home screen for a bit until this shows up. Press the plus button on the top left corner, and I'm just going to select the first widget, the smart stack one. I want to choose this one, the first one, and then add widget. And here you can change you can change which one you want to preview first. I want to preview this one, and I'm just going to take it and grab it and put it on the top, and then I am going to press done, and now that is what I preview first on my home screen. And if you just want to delete that, again, press on it and then remove stack. That is basically how you can edit your home screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!